Hi everyone, this is an ERA 6-pin Euro cylinder. That's the bitting on the key. This is a Kitemark certified lock, which would imply that it's quite a well-made lock and should be quite a challenge. Now there's this extra plate which you don't normally see on Euro cylinders. It's on the front here. Obstructs the normal keyway, so I'm using open side tension and it's just a bit easier. I'll start with a standard hook to the back on pin 6. Everything 5, 4, drop something at the back there. Switch to a slightly shallower hook. A little bit of a false set there. Pins are very low down in the core. Hard to find the binding pin. I think that was pin 2. The warding also makes it a bit more difficult than usual. You need to kind of go in at a negative angle. So click on pin 2. Oh, finally, it's picked open. Alright, let's get this lock apart and take a look at the pins. Goes the circlip. Got the key, so I'm going to put that back in. Okay, pin 1 is a kind of anti-drill pin. Standard pin on chamber 2 and 3. It's like a slightly sort of kind of bulging pin there on pin 4. The same arrangement on pin 5 and a standard on pin 6. Take a look at the core. I don't know if you can see that. There's counter milling on chambers 4 and 5. That corresponds to these two pins with the little kind of bands around them. That would be catchy on the counter milling there. Okay, let's do the driver pins. Be a little bit careful here, try and get them out in the right orientation. Standard pin 1. It's a kind of almost a double spool, one of those ASA type pins on 2 and 3. Another one of those, pin 4. A tiny little kind of wafer thing on pin 5. Oh, that's not right. It was above, or below rather, the one on pin 4 there. It's unusual. Same arrangement on pin 5, and then you've just got a single kind of ASA type pin on chamber 6 there. Springs are all the same type, it looks like. So there you go, guys. That's an Era Kitemark 6-pin Euro cylinder. Thanks for watching. See you next time.